Hi guys, my apologies that it took so long to get to the trading spot, and yeah, I'm super sorry, and let's start the video. Hi guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. So, I'm going to be trying to trade my ginger cat, so yeah, let's get into it. Let's just wait for me to get into the trading spot. Hi guys, so now we're at the local trading spot, and I kind of cheated a little because I really wanted this pet. But yeah, I screenshot all the good deals, so you might see a lot of screenshots here. This girl wouldn't do it. I knew she was gonna decline anyways. I knew this girl wasn't gonna do it either, and she declined. I felt like this wasn't really worth it. But you guys tell me in the comments if it was. This girl would definitely decline. If I was them, I would decline too, though. And I treated this person again, and they just added, but they took away the monkey, and that I don't think that would be worth it. Here's me trading them again, because I didn't know they were saying the same person. But I still declined. This girl declined straight away. This person was gonna decline too. this trade was just really, really bad, and I declined it. I was trying to make her accept this trade, but she declined. I tried to trade the same person, but they just declined. This is me again trying to trade her and get it. I started trading this person to try to get their drop, but they added a Arctic reindeer. I was almost going to accept, but I worked too hard on my golden rat. This is me again trying to get it. They always declined, so I just stopped. I tried, and I just stopped. This person just straight up declined. I would have gave more for the pink Ruddable cat, but cause I already have a pink cat too. But yeah, I knew they were gonna decline. This person straight up declined too. I didn't get that much good offers. I didn't really like this offer, so I had to decline. This one I could have done, but I just added way too much. Because I was trying to get something. The dragon again, but I just stopped there. I had to. Yeah, this one I just declined. It wasn't a good deal. Here I kind of just flexed and declined. this is the offer that kind of blew me away. I was gonna accept, but I love my ginger cat too much. But oh my goodness, I would have accepted, but I didn't know at that time that I just, in my mind, I had to. I accepted, but they took stuff off, and yeah. But then I unaccepted and declined. I am still trading her right here, and I was checking if you guys were still with me, so I got some proof that I actually got it. I didn't get it, but like, I got this offer for it. And yeah, you guys were good. I just, in my mind, I had to decline. From there, I wasn't getting that much good offers, except for this one, but they declined it. Yeah, so then I like kind of quitted because I was just like, yeah, I'm probably not gonna get that much good offers. So enjoy the rest of the video. Bye!